Hi, it's Andy Wong. Have you ever considered moving to Los Altos or maybe buying a bigger home here in town? I'm standing in front of my new listing, which is actually just a few blocks away from the other listing that I showed you, so we're in the same great neighborhood. One of the things I like about this location is that you're in a cul-de-sac within a cul-de-sac, so the street is very secluded. One thing to know about Los Altos is that most of it was built out in the 50s and 60s. This house was actually built in the 90s, so it's got a lot of the modern amenities and floor plan features that people like. Why don't you come on in and take a look? I'm Andy Wong. Thanks for stopping by. If you have any questions or would like to see the house, please contact me and we'll set up a showing for you. Take care.